If you want to find more low kids at your school, create more low groups. You will find the kids to fill them. They will appear. Just go and create 3 more. Create 3 more algebras on top of the 5 algebras, pre-algebras we already got. Modified, 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 almost algebra, modified, modified, you almost there but not there, almost yet algebra, modified, modified, foundational, foundational, kind of foundational algebra. If Marvel Comics running after superheroes, I mean, I don't know how many more groups, I don't know how many more heroes we could use to name groups. Kids know, by the way. I don't care what you name the group. Kid go home, I'm on Team Thor. I'm on Black Panther. I'm on Team Black Panther. 2 days later, like, wait a minute now. That's a dumb group. That's what they're thinking. I don't care what you call it.